Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our second episode of Hooked Huskies. For a moment, let's imagine you have finally found your dream job. But how do you plan to outshine at your first role? Well, stay tuned to find out the answers. As this week, I'll be bringing to you some key nuggets of insights from our workshop with the maestro Jennifer Melton, who is a group account director from Saatchi & Saatchi, Canada. But before that, I would like to give our George Brown College a big shout out for this opportunity. So, talking about the maestro, Jennifer is currently the group account director from Saatchi & Saatchi. With a decade of experience in the marketing industry, she has worked with some of the biggest brands that we all dream of as marketers, be it like Air Canada, Mercedes, Volkswagen or TD Bank, and the list goes pretty long. So Huskies, fasten your seatbelts and make notes as we dive into some key learnings from her talk. As most of our listeners are marketing students, Jennifer had a very interesting advice on what to do once you land your first job. So here are 3 ways you can really stand out at your first job. First, make sure to take meeting notes and take ownership of your work. Second, organize your workflow and prioritize your work and deadlines. Third, and very important, ask for feedback. That's the fastest way you can grow at your workplace. I recall as a copywriter, my creative director once gave me an advice while working on an OH ad. He advised me to not use any words in the ad and instead replace my message with key strong visuals. And that really made sense to me because people on streets don't usually read your ads or they don't have the time to read the ads. And upon implementing his feedback, the response was great and the client was happy too. And this really made us swell with pride. So long story short, feedbacks on your work is highly important. Her advice to everyone was learn more and learn from everyone. With this, Jennifer also highlighted that as an employee, your values need to be aligned with your organization. Personally, look into some key values like equal opportunities and the mentality of the door is always open to discuss good ideas. And the right way for you to research about the company culture is ideally by connecting with industry people and having small conversations around that. Or you could even visit websites like Glassdoor that shares reviews written by employees working in the company. Next, what really hooked me the most during her talk was the role of insights in marketing. Interestingly, she explained that insights are not just facts, but needs to have the ability to answer, so what? We learned the role of insights while working on a case study of Hawaii tourism, where the data showed that in recent times, Hawaii tourism saw a negative dip in their tourism. But what was missing was the so what. Through some research, internet trends and data, we arrived to the reasons for the dip in the traffic. And not just that, strategically also came up with some solutions and ideas that can be implemented in increasing the tourism. It was a complete learning cycle from moving from the stage of problem, insights, and to the solution. It was truly a value-adding practice and I hope you guys also had a great learnings from this. As we reach to the tail end of this podcast, here are some key learnings from this episode. First, always take ownership of your work and have constant feedback sessions at your work. This can really make you outshine at your first job. Second, always align your values while researching for jobs. And third, always answer the so what in your insights. Let this information stay with you and sleep over them. I will see you soon in the next episode. Until next time, happy branding.